What I have in front of me is the TGIN Smooth and Hold Edge Control. And what it means for TGIN, thank God it's natural. Okay, so you already know that this edge control is natural. Okay, natural. And it has Nettle Leaf plus castor oil in it, and it has an extra hold. Now, my hair reacted to this product. Now I have a second one of these. So this is like the second one that I've used, and you can see I've been using the heck out of it. My hair just kind of like it. Well, not kind of. It does love this product. It just, you know, it curls and then it lays down. So like when I'm applying it in my hair, it's just like, okay, we like it. Let's just curl on up. No. You're supposed to stay flat. Get the whatever product you, toothbrush, comb, finger, whatever it is, stay flat, and it does stay flat. I love it. It gives my hair like that nice shine to it, oil feel to it. So it's not really like a jelly type product. You know how some products have with edge controls, it's like a jelly feel. This isn't. This is more kind of like a I wouldn't, maybe not necessarily like a wax, but like, because it's not really sticky like that. I guess like a oil paste, something. If you, I don't know. Don't get me lying, but I love this product. And what I like about it is that not only does it hold, but you know, some products like they hold your edges and stuff like that, but it's the ingredients that's in it, it's not good for your edges. And you know, your edges in the back of your hair, like where your baby hair is in the back and in the front, is like one of the ends as well, is really fragile. So for them to like take the time out to like, okay, we want to give something that gives the hold, but also that gives a healthy hair solution to it, you know, when you're laying down your edges in the front of your hair or whatever, that's a plus for me. And another plus that I was on sale. So this is a plus for me. So I remembered when I was looking for a new edge control, I ran into this one. And I was like, oh, you know, I showed someone. I was like, hey, you want this? You know, I can get it if you want it. And she was like, yeah. This was the first time. This, like I said, this is the second jar, but this was like the first jar. And the smell, oh my goodness. Now you talking about some smell good stuff. Let me smell right quick. It just gives you that citrusy freshness. I'm gonna lay you down. Edge control. I don't know what exactly. Okay, let me see. I kind of gotta like the product. I mean, the ingredients kind of cover it up. But it smells so good. Now it does say on the. Let me just go like this. When I was saying, like, you know, you using all clean dry hair to avoid product buildup and flaking. So you know, sometimes you got a hard head parent. Her hair wasn't dirty, but it was like, I'll say like in the middle. And I wasn't gonna use it until my hair was clean. So I saw a little fingerprint dug in the edge control, and I was like, okay, so she already done used it. But you can just tell, like, her edges looked so fresh. Now, this is the first time that we used it. Not the first time. Her edges look so fresh, and it looks so shiny and glossy, you know. And I was like, well, I want to try it now, but I was like, wait, hold on. You got one more day to wash your hair. You know, I was like, wow, and it stayed. That's another thing, it stayed. So later on, when I tried this product, I was like, okay, yes, this definitely works. I love the smell of it. I like what it does. It gives me that fresh feel. It makes my hair absolutely loves it. Another thing that if you do want to add like additional hold, because sometimes I know that since my hair is curly, it might try to curl up, especially when it's hot outside. What helps me is like after when I lay my hair down, I may put like a scarf around it just to give it like that extra secure. And then when I, unravel that scarf, it lays down completely. And then the crazy thing about it is the next day, the next day, my inches are still laid from the day before. And what I mean by laid or whatever, like my edges like was completely really like laid down, like wasn't going really anywhere unless like I mixed it with water or messed it up or something like that. But it was still there from the day prior before. And I know this says like to use this to avoid product buildup. It doesn't flake. I didn't have no ounce of product buildup and with using this product whatsoever. It didn't leave no white residue, no flakiness. I know I already said that, but I'm gonna say it again. No flakiness, none of that. This product got it going on. I'm gonna say that right now. And like I said, it holds. You see that extra hold? Oh, it holds. It holds. But if you want to get that extra hold, go ahead and slap that scarf around and reveal, and your edges are completely laid. And I love this product. I love it, love it, love it. This is the second one that I have, and you can see that I've been using it. One thing, if you happen to have flake, which I have not, you can mix it with a little bit of water, but I never had that problem. The only time when I mixed it with water was to fix it. I didn't like how it looked at first. It wasn't going nowhere. So I had to kind of put some water, to kind of like give it, I don't know, I guess to move it a little bit, because when I mean it laid. Yeah, so again, this is TGIN, Smooth and Hold Edge Control. And again, it means thank God it's natural.